Can you unfollow everyone on TikTok? So let's get started. Yes, you can unfollow accounts on TikTok, but TikTok does not provide an official feature to mass unfollow everyone at once. However, you can unfollow accounts manually or use efficient strategies to speed up the process. All you have to do is log into your TikTok account, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner, then tap the following tab to see all the accounts you are following. Tap the following button next to each account. It will change to follow, indicating that you have unfollowed the account. Repeat this process for all accounts. In the following list, after unfollowing one account, swipe down to move to next account and tap following again, and this reduces tapping time. So, there isn't any built-in feature to mass unfollow everyone on TikTok, but you can unfollow anyone you don't want on your TikTok account manually. So, if you want to declutter your feed without unfollowing anyone, then use TikTok's not interested feature to correct content as well. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.